Shanghai Hanjue Precision Machinery Company Limited is an enterprise specialized in food machinery based in Shanghai, China. Based on continuous learning and innovation, our company has developed large quantities of high-quality products, which enjoy good reputations among our customers all around the world. Our main markets are Middle East, Southeast Asia, and America. Our main products are encrusting machine, bread production line, filled cookies machine, mooncake production line, bread and pastry production line, cake production line, pastry machine, steam bun production line, etc. Our company has a strong technical team. We keep in step with technologies of internationally advanced food machinery. Also, we can offer designs and layout proposals to your factory.